Are you tired of waking up every morning, looking in the mirror, and seeing those puffy, swollen bags under your eyes? It feels like no matter how much you sleep, they just won't go away. You've probably tried every cream, serum, and cold compress out there, only to be disappointed. What if I told you that the real solution isn't in an expensive jar, but in simple, time-tested habits inspired by one of Japan's most respected and longest-living doctors? Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of how to get rid of puffy eyes for good, especially as we get older. And trust me, these aren't just quick fixes. They're lifelong changes that will make you look and feel more vibrant. So, let's get started. First, let's understand what's really going on. Those puffy bags are often caused by fluid retention, which can happen for many reasons. As we age, the tissues around our eyes, including some of the muscles supporting our eyelids, weaken. The skin becomes less elastic, and the fat that normally helps support the eyes can move into the lower eyelids, making them appear puffy. Think of it like a little hammock that's gotten a bit stretched out over time. But here's the good news. While we can't turn back the clock, we can definitely fight back against the puffiness. A famous Japanese doctor, who lived to be over 100, always emphasized that true health and beauty come from the inside out, through simple daily practices. His philosophy wasn't about radical procedures, but about gentle, consistent care, and that's exactly what we're going to focus on. So, let's talk about the number one enemy of bright eyes. Salt. Yes, that delicious seasoning is a major culprit behind fluid retention. When you eat a lot of salty food, your body holds onto water to dilute the excess sodium, and a lot of that extra water can pool in the delicate area under your eyes. The skin there is the thinnest on your body, so any swelling is much more noticeable. You might be thinking, I don't add much salt to my food. But a lot of sodium is hidden in processed foods, canned soups, frozen dinners, and even bread. The Japanese diet traditionally is rich in fresh, whole foods and lower in processed salt. So, the first step is to become a sodium detective. Start reading labels. Look for low-sodium options. Try seasoning your food with herbs and spices like garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, or a squeeze of lemon juice instead of reaching for the salt shaker. It might take a little getting used to, but your taste buds will adapt, and your eyes will thank you for it. Next up, let's talk about hydration, but in the right way. We all know we should drink water, but the timing is just as important. Guzzling a huge amount of water right before bed is a recipe for waking up with puffy eyes. All that fluid has to go somewhere, and while you're lying down, it can easily collect around your eyes. Instead, focus on sipping water consistently throughout the day. Keep a water bottle with you and aim to finish most of your intake a few hours before you go to sleep. This gives your body, especially your kidneys, plenty of time to process the fluid and flush out toxins and excess sodium without it camping out under your eyes overnight. Also consider starting your day with a warm glass of water with lemon. It helps kickstart your metabolism and aids your body's natural detoxification process, which is a fantastic morning ritual for overall health and depuffing. Now for a secret weapon that's a staple in many Japanese households, green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and has mild diuretic properties. This means it can help your body get rid of excess fluid, reducing that puffiness. But it has a double benefit. You can drink it, and you can also use it topically. After you've enjoyed a warm cup, don't throw away the tea bags. Let them cool down in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. Once they're chilled, lie back, place the cool tea bags over your closed eyes, and relax for 10 to 15 minutes. The caffeine in the green tea helps to constrict the blood vessels, which reduces swelling, while the antioxidants help soothe the skin. It's a simple, affordable, and incredibly effective spa-like treatment you can do right at home. Another powerful principle from Japanese wellness is the importance of gentle massage. They have a long history of facial massage techniques like Tanaka or Asahi, that focus on lymphatic drainage. The lymphatic system is like your body's sanitation department, carrying waste and excess fluid away from tissues. But sometimes, it can get a bit sluggish. A gentle massage can help get things moving again. Here's a simple technique you can do every morning. After applying your eye cream or a drop of face oil, use your ring finger. It has the lightest touch, and gently tap along your orbital bone, starting from the inner corner of your eye and moving outwards. Then, sweep your finger gently from the inner corner, under your eye, and up towards your temple. Repeat this about 5 to 10 times. The key is to be very gentle. You don't want to pull or drag the delicate skin. This simple massage helps to manually push the stagnant fluid away from the eye area and into the lymph nodes where it can be drained. It only takes a minute, but doing it consistently can make a huge difference. Let's also consider your sleeping position. If you're a stomach or side sleeper, you might be making your puffy eyes worse. When you sleep with your face pressed against a pillow, or even just flat on your back, gravity allows fluid to pool around your eyes. The best sleeping position to combat puffiness is on your back, with your head slightly elevated. Try using an extra pillow or a wedge pillow to prop your head up. This simple change uses gravity to your advantage, encouraging fluid to drain away from your face while you sleep. It might feel a bit strange at first if you're not used to it, but it's one of the most effective passive ways to prevent morning puffiness. Think of it as effortless beauty sleep. Of course, we can't ignore the basics: getting enough quality sleep and managing allergies. When you're sleep deprived, your body releases a stress hormone called cortisol, which can disrupt your salt balance and lead to fluid retention and puffiness. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to help you wind down. And if you suffer from seasonal allergies, all that rubbing and inflammation can make eye bags much worse. Talk to your doctor about managing your allergies, whether it's with antihistamines or other remedies. Sometimes the solution is as simple as keeping your windows closed during high pollen seasons and using an air purifier. Finally, a core part of the philosophy of longevity is joy and stress management. Chronic stress impacts your entire body, including your skin and eyes. When you're stressed, you're more likely to have poor sleep, make unhealthy food choices, and just generally feel run down. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial. This could be through gentle exercise like walking or yoga, practicing mindfulness or meditation, spending time in nature, or engaging in a hobby you love. The Japanese concept of ikigai, or finding your purpose and joy in life, is deeply linked to health and longevity. When you feel happy and fulfilled, it shows. Your eyes sparkle a little brighter, and you carry yourself with more energy and vitality. So, to recap the wisdom for getting rid of puffy eyes for good: watch your salt intake and read food labels, hydrate smartly throughout the day, embrace the power of green tea both inside and out, incorporate a gentle lymphatic drainage massage into your daily routine, try sleeping on your back with your head elevated, prioritize quality sleep, manage your allergies, and find joy to reduce stress. It's not about one magic pill, but a collection of small, consistent habits that create profound change over time. This approach isn't just for your eyes. It's a holistic path to better health and aging gracefully, inspired by those who have done it best. Start with 1 or 2 of these tips this week and see how you feel. You might be surprised at how quickly you start to see a brighter, less puffy version of yourself in the mirror. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more wellness secrets. Let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first. Stay healthy, stay vibrant, and I'll see you in the next video.